This is the Old Guy Network.
As you can see, I took a hacksaw and just cut the top, just tapered it down a little bit so that the top would actually fit on a lot better. Look at that. Beautiful, right? I think we need one more hole. Well, I can't find the fan, so I have another idea. And I got to drill a little bit smaller hole, or cut it with a hole saw rather. But I'll show you what I'm going to do. First, let's get a hole drilled in. That is a very dull hole saw. Alright, I figured out another way we can blow air through this thing without using a fan. So it's time for our little buddy. We're going to put the bear in the box. Let's get all the stuff out of it. There you go, little dude. Now the theory is to put air through here and blow the air through here going past the ice. So what are we going to use? An old vacuum cleaner. I've put it on the outlet end. Now we'll just stick that right in there. And we're going to give it a shot. Okay, first thing is, it smells pretty bad. It's an old vacuum. Man, there is some cool air coming out of there though. Not as much pressure as a fan would have, but it's not bad. So I'm going to close some windows and take a temperature, and yeah, you can see. You can see how hot I am in here. All right, let me go close some windows and I'll be right back. 97. So it's not too bad in here right now. It's 97. So we've got our whatever the hell this thing is working. It's going past the ice pretty good. I don't have any string or anything I can put in front to show you that there's air coming out, but there is. So I'm gonna get out of here and let this do its thing for a few minutes, and then we'll come back in and check the temperature and see if it's changed. Okay, we're gonna check and see if it's any cooler. It doesn't feel any cooler. Holy crap, there's hot air coming out. We built.
And of course, that's where the camera cut out, because, you know, that's what it does. What I said was, holy crap, I built a heater. Yeah, vacuum cleaners get hot. And if you leave them running for quite a while, like 20 minutes, yeah, they heat up pretty good. And I basically built a heater. And the shed got 2 degrees hotter. So, utter failure. That was not a good thing to do. But I tried something. Well, you know, you gotta try, right? So I gotta go back to the old plan, and that is to get a fan, and I gotta try to find that one that I have. If I can't find it, well, maybe I can find somebody who, I don't know, owns a computer shop that might have a fan kicking around that I can have. I'll see if I can do that. So for now, we're done. When I get the fan, we'll finish this up, and maybe we'll make an actual air conditioner. So if not, be a nice little beer cooler. Yeah, just plug up the holes. So hey, that's it for this quick video. I am the OG, and I'm out.